So yeah, we've got a Transit 2005 and we're going to change the front brake pads. So you take your 5 wheel nuts off, 21mm, jack it up, get the wheel off, then you've got a 13mm socket, and you undo these two on the caliper. Undo the bottom nut, just slacken the top one off, and then it just levers out like that. And then you can get access to your pads. You take them out, and then you've got to push these in so they're flush to this. So you need to clean out these little grooves at the bottom each side and at the top, and then put grease on them before you put the pads in. Put your new pads in, put it back down, put the bolts in, pump the brakes, done.